Clients often ask, well, what types of damages or categories of damages can be recovered in a medical negligence case? And it really depends on what type of case you're involved in. In a wrongful death case, that situation where the patient dies as a result of the medical negligence, there are certain categories that can be recovered in a medical negligence claim. First, any additional medical bills that were caused by the initial negligence. For example, a surgery to repair an injury that was caused by the negligence of the first surgeon. Secondly, if you have the situation where someone dies as a result of medical negligence and they are the income provider for the family, well, that family has lost the income from that husband, that father, that mother for the work life expectancy of that individual. So that whole family has lost substantial lost income, is what that's called, in terms of the recoverable damages in a medical negligence case. Obviously, funeral expenses are an item that can be recovered in a wrongful death claim. But the largest category of damages in any wrongful death case is the value of losing a lost and loved family member. Someone has lost a husband or wife, a daughter, a brother or sister. And those are the largest, or that is the largest category of damages that anyone suffers when there's a medical negligence or when an act of medical negligence results in the wrongful death of the patient. The other type of case is the case where the patient survives the act of medical negligence. In those cases, the appropriate damages are, one, the additional medical bills that are required to attempt to repair or correct the act of negligence, any pain or suffering that the patient has suffered as a result. For example, if someone loses a leg as a result of medical negligence or has a permanent nerve injury, that person may be 35 years old, 45 years old. For the rest of their life, they will have to deal with that limitation. They will have to deal with that pain. That is also a proper element of damages which can be awarded in a successful case. Any lost income, if it's past lost income or future lost income, those are also recoverable damages. Future medical treatment, that is a recoverable item of damages. And sometimes people with serious physical limitations that were caused by medical negligence have to have their house remodeled. They have to have their house made wheelchair accessible. Doorways need to be enlarged. Ramps need to be built. Individuals who lose an arm or hand or finger use as a result of medical negligence, oftentimes their automobile needs to be modified so they can operate the car. So those are the types of damages that are recoverable in that type of case.